y'all, it's your girl Devin Nicole, and welcome to my channel. Or if you are not new here and you are a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my hair Vivi review, you guys. So I've had this wig for a couple of weeks now. Actually, it's been a couple of months. So yeah, I am going to give you guys the deets, the pros, the cons on this hair. So this is the 14-inch Afrolista wig, you guys. Yeah, so I decided I was going to try a new glue. This is that Isha waterproof glue that everyone is using. First of all, let me say, hated it. You guys hate this glue. This glue does not ever dry. It always is just kind of sticky. It is super difficult, super hard to get out of your hair, whether you're using alcohol, you are using oil, you're using anything. This water, it is hard to get out of your hair. So I do not like this glue, even though I use this glue. This is my first time using it. I hated it. Would not recommend. Do not buy. Yeah, so but I decided to just work with it, you guys, and so this is me working with it. So I've had this wig for a couple months now, and I've actually colored it, and I have that video. I will go ahead and link it below, you guys. So first of all, the hair takes really well to bleach. I did bleach it for a really long time, over an hour. The hair was dry after, but it did not take long to revert back. All I did was just use some silicone mix and let it deep condition, you guys. So that's the first thing about this hair. The second thing about this hair is, of course, it is very full. So I really like that about the hair. It looks very realistic to African American hair. So that's another plus that I really like about this hair. Overall, this hair is nice hair. I don't like it. It's not my favorite, you guys. First of all, this hair does not hold a lick of curl. You can curl it, you walk away 15 minutes later, the curls are gone. So yeah, that's one thing I hate about the hair. Also, it is really hard to get the hair to stay straight. You definitely have to put something on it, put a little oil to weigh it down, you guys, because this hair tends to want to revert back to its super kinky texture, which honestly, it looks like the hair is just really finely crimped. So that would be the only downside to the hair, as well as the lace on this is not the most easiest lace to work with. If you're a beginner, I would not recommend this wig as a wig for you to get at your first time out the gate, because you will have to do a lot with trying to get it to work and try to get it to lay the way you want to, you guys. So I do like the hair, but overall, this is not a hair that I'd wear every day. So I just wanted to show you guys kind of my everyday routine, easy breezy makeup tutorial, in addition to kind of giving you guys my thoughts on this hair. So I'm just going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil to just fill in my brows. You guys know I've done a whole eyebrow routine. If you haven't seen it, get into it, sis. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna go in with my MAC to go ahead and clean my eyebrows up, you guys. Yeah, so tell me what you guys think about this hair color though, this Cajun Spice, y'all. I'm loving it. At first I was scared, I wasn't sure, but I just wanted to try something different, you guys, and I am in love with this hair. I put this hair on, I put this wig on, and honestly, I feel like a bad bitch. So yeah. But yeah, now I'm just going in with that MAC with my angled brush, and I'm just going to clean up these eyebrows, you guys. I just want to do something really simple, really easy, something I would do if Bae called me and was like, hey, be dressed. I'll be home in 20 minutes. Be dressed and be ready. This is my makeup look that I would go to. Something super easy but pretty and compliments my skin, you guys. So getting back to this hair, Vivi Afrolista 14-inch kinky straight hair, you guys. I will say that after I bleached it, I did notice that it started shedding more than what it was previously before bleaching it. So that is also something. It doesn't shed a lot out of the box. It did not shed at all, only when I bleached it, you guys. So I would say this hair is really good as far as not shedding. If you want fullness, if you were to want to wear this hair in its natural state, this would be probably a good wig. But if you wanted to get this hair and wear it kind of in a blown out state, this would not be the perfect wig, as it does tend to puff up, you guys. So now I'm just going in with my Minted foundation, guys. I did a whole review / tutorial on this, you guys. Get into it. It is black owned. It is a black owned makeup company, you guys. And I honestly, like I told you guys in my initial review, I love this foundation. It literally goes on like skin. Super hydrating, super light, medium coverage, very buildable. So I'm just going in with my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend. If y'all don't learn anything else from my channel, I want you guys to learn. Blend, blend, blend. Whether it's blending your hair colors or it's blending your makeup. Blend, blend, blend. When you blend, you cannot go wrong. And another thing that I particularly don't like about this wig, I did get the fake scalp, you guys, on this wig. Just because the way it was advertised, it, would look more realistic, would help with, blending in your knots. I hate it. It honestly makes the wig a little bit more bulky than what it needs to be. And that also is part of the reason why this wig does not lay the way I want it to, because that fake scalp just adds bulkiness, and I could do without it, you guys. So that's one of the things that I really don't like about the wig also. So now I'm just going to go in with my MAC that I use to clean up my eyebrows. And I'm just going to highlight, putting that under my eyes, forehead, nose, Cupid's bow, under my chin. Y'all know the routine. This isn't my first rodeo, and hopefully it isn't yours either. But if it is, welcome to my channel. I hope you will subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And to my subscribers, thank you guys so much for your support. Honestly, you guys mean the world to me. And honestly, I do this for y'all. So yeah, thank you. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to try some mink lashes for the first time, y'all. The Bougie Lash Vaults, black owned. Get into these lashes, y'all. Do it look like I was left off of Bad and Bougie? No. So, y'all, these are, I believe they are 20 millimeter mink lashes in Bad and Bougie, you guys. I will tag the company below, you guys. The owner, Whitney, is so amazing. Hey, boo. So yeah, y'all, I am in love with these lashes, and this was my first time ever putting lashes on, and you guys, I'm never going back. I don't know why I ain't put them on before, but y'all, these lashes just set my look off. I love these lashes. I just can't, honestly, I just can't stop speaking so highly on the company, you guys. The owner was super nice. The shipping was fast. The lashes were not expensive at all. And then also that lip gloss that I popped on my lips, that was also from the Bougie Lash Vault in 702. That is the color, you guys. So y'all, I'm going to link her company below because she is so dope. And y'all know I have been supporting our small black businesses, and you should too. So I'm going to link everything below and leave it below. But you guys, I honestly was feeling myself with this Cajun spice hair, these lashes, and that dark purple red lip. You couldn't tell me nothing, okay? Do it look like I was left off Bad and Bougie? I mean, do it. Okay, so all in all, on my reviews of the hair, I mean, we'll just be honest. You know, when you love hair from a company, the question is, will you buy it again? Would I buy this particular wig again? No. Been there, done that, over it. While the texture is pretty and I do like that it reminds me of my own hair, it's not practical for what I'm trying to do, which would be to wear it flat iron or curled, because it doesn't hold curls well. It doesn't hold straight well. It does want to tend to revert back. So the hair is nice, you guys, but for me it just falls short in a lot of departments. So I won't be purchasing this hair again. Will I shop with hair Vivi again? Probably. More than likely I will. I just won't get this particular unit. So, but if you guys are looking for something that resembles African American hair and you are wanting to wear it in its natural state, or even if you're wanting to bleach it, this would be good hair for you. But just for me, I probably won't buy it again, but I'm glad that I had it and was able to experience it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for sticking with me and watching this video, you guys. Shout out again to the Bougie Lash Vault, you guys, for these amazing new lashes and lip gloss. And shout out to Hair Vivi. I mean, this hair, while it's not my particular favorite, it is pretty dope. And I mean, I'm loving this Cajun Spice. Gave it new life. So please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.